welcome to this video. In this video we are going to create a new user account in Windows 10. So we open Control Panel and we choose User Accounts and User Accounts and Manage another account. And then we choose Add a new user in PC settings. We choose Add someone else to this PC. To create a simple local account, we choose I don't have this person's sign-in information. And then we choose Add a user without a Microsoft account. And then we choose a username. And then we choose a password. We see that we are required to have a security question. We see that we have now created a new local user account. In this video, we have learned how to create a new local user. Thank you for watching my video and remember to like, share and subscribe.